this is Taapsee.
Hi, this is Manoj Bajpayee. Download the Bollywood Times app right now.
In the world of espionage, real life is sometimes stranger than fiction. My next guests are very non-fictional characters right now that I have on the couch who have done strange portrayals on celluloid. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you Manoj Bajpayee and the ever so gracious Taapsee.
Oh my God. You ever so gracious for me or for Manoj sir?
Manoj is...
He's also ever gracious.
The thing about Manoj Bajpayee is adjectives, can't just describe Manoj.
Yes.
He's just beyond that. I think Manoj Bajpayee himself is an adjective.
Yeah, we'll put him on that pedestal only.
How about that?
ऊंचे वाला.
नहीं ये बोल रहा है.
इग्नोर करने का अच्छा खासा जो तरीका ढूंढ लिया है इसने.
तो बोलिए. Espionage. We're talking about spin-off, guys. Or, every time I see a Marvel film, okay, and I see Avengers, and then I see every character, हर एक character की individual stories ये लोग बनाते हैं. It is so brilliant to see this rare spin-off from Bollywood on a spy, of course, and that is Naam Shabana. So I want to know, you think, because there are so many films, Taapsee, Manoj, that you can name and who can be made into individual. Like for example, I would love to see Naam Bhikhu. How did Bhikhu Matre became Bhikhu Matre,
actually, Yeah.
So, how interesting is that?
Nice idea, sir.
Ram Gopal Verma को phone कोई नहीं करेगा अभी.
Sir, करिए phone करिए.
पिछले वाले का पैसा मिल जाए फिर.
हाँ बोले. How interesting are spin-offs?
It's great, it also says so much about the writer or the director, Neeraj Pandey. Out of all the characters from Baby, and suddenly he thought of, he's very right when he says that, Taapsee's character left such an impact with the audience and with everybody who was friends with him. And then he thought of making a spin-off, writing a spin-off. But it's easier said than done. This guy has gone ahead and written a full-length script, and he really, started with an example. So, I don't know what made him think about a spin-off. Why it didn't click with us when we watched the film. Why it didn't click with Taapsee even,
I was so thankful I got to do that.
Or any other actor. But yes, it's a writer's mind.
Correct.
And a writer's mind is something which is quite, intriguing and mysterious. We'll have to ask Neeraj what made him really... what forced him to write such a fantastic spin-off on Taapsee's character? Wow,
you must be like, oh, thank God, spin-off on me? Yes.
I still have to believe it up either way. I've been I've been talifying the belief a bit of it because it's too good to be true. When they called me after a month of Baby and they said, okay, this is what we are thinking. We don't know when exactly we're going to write the script, but we'll see. I was like, it's too good to be true. Jab hogi, then I'll believe it, kinds. Okay. And then it came, they said, you better keep training. I was like, okay, fine. Anyway, I enjoyed the sport, martial arts. So I said, okay, I'll do it. And it's good for fitness and all also. And then closer to the leg, now you have to increase the training. Now you have to train in Kudo and MMA and all. I was like, okay, so we are actually doing it. And then after the Muhurat shot, I gave I remember the Muhurat shot was like a passport was kept and I had to take it off with my hand. And after that, Sheetal sir, Neeraj sir's partner called me like, ab belief ho raha hai, ho rahi hai. I said, nahi sir, abhi sirf haath liya hai. I don't know. They might just change me. Then the film happened and like, ab believe ho raha hai. Ab to trailer bhi ho gaya. Maine kaha, abhi thoda sa ho raha hai, but abhi wait till 31st March. I want to see it on big screen. I want to see people watching it and believe that this actually happened to me.
Nice. Both of you, the question goes to, do you admire Neeraj Pandey, the writer? Do you admire Neeraj Pandey, the producer? Or Neeraj Pandey, the director?
The director part of it, see, a writer writes, he finished writing, he finishes writing and then he takes over as a producer, as a part producer. But that is, that is a part an actor will never enjoy because writing is a very lonely job. When he's writing, he's not interacting with anybody. When he's producing or when he takes over the scheduling part or the costumes, the look and everything. There also, the interaction with him is not on a very creative level. But the moment, you are on the set and when you are discussing about the next scene or discussing about the dialogues which are written and how they are going to be said or, or delivered in front of the camera, that interaction, that, sharing, I enjoy the most with him. Because there you come to understand not only the director's point of view, but also the writer's point of view.
Interesting. What about you?
I think I really admire him as a... See, I'm not very good with technical aspects of it because I'm not as experienced as him and a lot of other people. So I'll just say it's a wonderful experience to just interact with him. He's a very no-nonsense kind of a guy, like everybody knows about him. So it's amazing to know such a person who is so unpredictable. You never know what he's going to say next. So you're always on your toes around him. He has, even though he's a man of very few words, it's not like he shouts or screams or gets very angry, but he still has an amazing aura around him, which at least makes me feel intimidated around him. So I think that just to be around him as a person, it's a very different feeling. It's a person, you get the vibe that he's a very intelligent man. So that's what I really admire about him.
आप लोग जब scripts पढ़ते हो, what is that one point when you shut the screenplay and आपने decide कर लिया भाई चलो okay ये film मुझे करनी है, but वो कौन सी चीज़ आपके दिल में रह जाती है दिमाग में कि भाई this I can't take this out man from my head, like what a brilliant thing.
What stuck with me, that one scene between him and Danny sir, and I was also there in a bit of it, that whole time zone difference. You will see that in the film. It comes at a very interesting stage. I have not seen, I don't know if it was there in any other film before. I can't remember at least. So I had to read it 2-3 times to understand exactly ho kya raha hai. So that was very intriguing, interesting screenplay I felt, which stayed with me in the film.
What about you?
There are certain things you come to understand when you are reading the script about the intelligence agency, and that completely shocks you, and this is something, when I was reading the dialogues of my character, when he is talking to Taapsee's character, he says one very important thing and very shocking thing. He says that, we are not as celebrated as Army, Navy and Air Force. But जो हम करते हैं उनके बस का भी नहीं है. So that line, completely, shook me up.
क्योंकि अभी तक तो we were only looking at them.
We were only looking at them, till now.
And it's risky. I mean, super risky.
So for us, the epitome of what you call bravery was these three forces. But here somebody who's the chief is actually saying that those three forces are nothing when you compare all of them together with us. So this is that was I don't know, something about that line completely shook me up.
चलिए, तो अब मैंने और तापसी ने ये तय किया है कि हम मनोज जी को अभी थोड़े फिटनेस के बारे में सवाल करेंगे. तो मनोज जी ये बताइए कि ये स्ट्रीमलाइन कैसे हुई, ये एनाटॉमी?
स्ट्रीम यार तुम तो बहुत दिनों से देख रहे हो मुझे.
हाँ, दिस इज अमेजिंग यार. नहीं शॉक मतलब इट्स सो गुड. लाइक लुक एट डैनी, राइट? डैनी
आई एम टेलिंग यू, लुक एट एवरीवन इन दिस फिल्म. लाइक Akshay Kumar, even Anupam sir has been building his body, I don't know for what. All of these guys are suddenly reverse aging.
Correct.
Yeah, why? Like, let me be the youngest in the gang. No, I don't want to share the position.
क्या रहस्य है?
Nothing. I mean, when you want to work more, then you have to be fit and healthy. Yeah. So I mean, yes. I mean, she's in an age where she can eat anything, which still she doesn't eat anything.
वो गलत है ये. Actresses do eat cakes and muffins.
I do eat, yeah. Cakes and all are my weakness.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna surprise both of you.
ये मेरे लिए?
नहीं ये उनको दीजिए.
अच्छा.
I will present.
देखिए जरा चेक करें कितनी heavy है. हाँ ठीक है.
खोलूँ मैं?
हाँ.
Spies and spying. Yeah, that's good. Cool. Nice.
James Bond.
The most celebrated spy in the world.
Read.
Yeah.
The Secret History of James Bond. It would be amazing to read.
Oh, तो पढ़नी पड़ेगी मतलब.
Yeah.
Okay. Photo भी नहीं है अंदर
10 pages.
अरे यार, are you one of those? यार किताब मिली है, चार पेजेस में तो होनी चाहिए फोटो यार. इसमें फोटो ही फोटो है, देखो.
इसमें बहुत सारे फोटो हैं.
ये आपकी बेटी के लिए.
मेरी बेटी तो बहुत बड़ी होगी तब जाके पढ़ेगी.
Manoj, you've done and I mean you've portrayed characters that are seamless, that are timeless. जो इतने सालों में, I mean you sometimes you forget the kind of roles. There's a Zubeda, there is a Satya, there is Aligarh. I mean, I can keep on naming them. You know, even an Acid Factory kind of a film where you portrayed. I want to know your quest for doing strange characters that aren't just mentally prepared, but even physically you embody them. What are you seeking for now? Because आपने इतने ranges कर लिए. It's like, okay, now what kind of character can I portray? I mean, will this be like a cup of tea for me?
No, it's never a cup of tea. I mean, she was my co-actor. You can ask her. I mean, it's never a cup of tea. For acting is the most difficult job in the world, though it is considered as
the
easiest one. That everybody and anybody, from anywhere thinks of becoming an actor. But it's the most difficult job because. As you get into the next film, you suddenly feel that you don't know the job. When you are approaching a new role, suddenly it's a new world, new area, new person, and exploring a new person is like diving into the sea. You have to keep on moving, and it's still, by the end of it also you can't say that you actually explored everything about the person. No. I mean, it never happens. That's why actors are always dissatisfied with anything that they do on the screen. What fascinates me is, doing a role, doing a character, and trying and putting all my effort into so that I myself don't recognize him.
Wow.
So but when I see myself on the screen, in some portion I recognize myself. In some portion I don't recognize it. That leaves me dissatisfied. Dissatisfied enough to do the next one.
Wow.
Yeah.
And of late, I mean, of course, both your films were the talk of the town. Aligarh for its, content and the main protagonist character, that you also were pretty vocal about the sexual orientation of that person. And of course, it kind of stretched the matter. Similarly with you, Pink, it kind of, took the word feminism, probably people started taking too seriously, which is very important, I thought.
This is
but sorry, रुकावट के लिए खेद है. अच्छा नहीं है.
This is
रुकावट के लिए केक है. Coming back to that question, you think it is good that subjects with messages, and that too very strong social message, giving it out? I mean, even though Naam Shabana would be an all-in-out action spy movie, about a spy, but there'll be a strong message about feminism because the central character is about a female.
I think there'll be a strong message in terms of the fact that hero doesn't have a gender.
Wow.
You can be your own hero. Yeah, it doesn't have to be always a guy being the hero. Even a girl can be a hero. You can be your own hero. That is probably one hidden message that people can take back from that film.
Sir, sahi bole, sir.
Yeah. So I think nowadays people probably, I think it's a Western influence in a way that we have access to cinema there. So we are now getting opened up to seeing more stuff than the regular stuff that we've been seeing for so many years.
Right.
So we've seen them doing it, so we are ready to accept it in our own cinema. I think that's why the things have changed very drastically in the last couple of years.
So if the cinema has changed, the accessibility to their cinema has become very easy. Also, women have changed in our society. But if the women have changed, men also have changed. You have to. You can't just say that women are the only one who changed. Women are the only one who started knowing about their own rights and wrongs.
Probably being.
But at the same time, men also have changed. I mean, think about Neeraj Pandey. I mean, Neeraj Pandey is also somebody who is a man, has written Baby, but at the same time he's written Naam Shabana.
Yeah.
So somewhere, men are also changing with time.
There are spies around us, man. I mean, you don't know, they're walking the streets. They can be wherever they are, they are spotted. But you think a film like Naam Shabana or even a Baby to a certain extent can take inspiration from real life spies, can take inspiration from things that have happened.
Maybe they have. How do you know?
But this film, I mean, Baby or Naam Shabana, are actually inspired by the real life spies.
Yeah.
You know, so they are not fictionals. They are definitely, you know, you give twist and turn here and there just to, you know, maintain the drama bit of it. But it's based on complete, you know, real life research.
That's why it looks so real.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you're right. But have you met anyone?
Whenever people ask me, I just say that undercover agents are best kept undercover.
Wow.
Yeah.
When you do subjects, I mean, of course, there was Chashme Baddoor that you did, that which was a debut film. And when you do Pink and all these hard-hitting subjects, portrayals, even characters that are so hard-hitting, how easy or difficult is it to come out of it in terms of, yeah, I need a lighter film now, dude. Like, I'll get serious all my life now.
I thought that I'll do that after Pink. I really thought I was like, एक साल तक कोई रोना धोना नहीं होगा. एक साल तक I'm going to live a happy, fine, you know, fun life. Exactly 2 days after Pink release, I started shooting Shabana. So it never really happens the way we plan it. But for certain films, you need to get out. At least I had to, because again, I say I'm not a trained actor. I really have to start feeling I am that role, and when it happens, then it gets stuck for some time.
आपको यही सवाल मैं पूछता हूँ वापस कि इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स करने के बाद for you it must be like a, you know, fingertips. भाई निकलो अभी इस कैरेक्टर में से next रोल दे दो मुझे.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता.
Aligarh stayed with you for quite some time?
Not really. No.
Which is the character that stayed with you for really long?
Long back. Shul was a character that I had to go to a psychiatrist to find a way to get out of it. Because I had a nervous breakdown, very bad nervous breakdown.
Okay, so now we're going to play a game.
Yes.
Which you have played before. Never have I ever. Ready?
Yes.
अगर किया हो तो बोलिएगा I have.
नहीं तो हंगामा हो जाए.
सर आप तो वैसे ही आप कर सकते हैं सर, आपको सब माफ है.
Never have I ever got affected by my film's failure. You have.
Yeah.
You are never.
Never.
Stone cold, like boss. अच्छा.
I don't know. मेरे अंदर में वैसा कुछ है कि rejection से मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It makes me very strong.
Okay. Never have I ever been on the sets with a hangover.
Because I don't drink.
सही है, बराबर है. Manoj Bajpayee is being so honest.
Yeah, I'm telling you, he doesn't have to worry about anything.
Never have I ever cracked a PJ and still people laughed.
People are nice to me.
तो कौन सा PJ था वो?
Oh, बड़े सारे.
मैं एक PJ बताऊँ? Two people were playing badminton. Third one comes and says, "Let's play goodminton."
Really not the right time. Chalo, next.
You have the wrong people. I will never laugh.
This is like. Next.
Never have I ever failed in a subject twice in a year.
In a year.
कौन सा subject में fail हुई तुम?
11th class में maths में.
गणित.
मेरा favorite subject था, but I.
अच्छा, वाह. Favorite subject था.
Yeah.
और फिर भी fail हुई.
Yeah, because
ये कैसा हो गया?
Yeah, I don't know. I have this maths का love and hate relationship था कुछ हद तक. मतलब आते थे तो 96 आए थे मेरे 12th में, और अगर fail होती थी तो 2.5 नंबर से. So it was just
2.5 out of?
25.
Never have I ever seen the film twice to understand it. कोई ऐसी फिल्म देखी जो 2 बार?
नहीं, पहली बार समझ में नहीं आया तो मैंने कहा बेकार फिल्म नहीं देख रही मैं.
नहीं, एक बार में समझ में नहीं आई कि इसका मतलब कुछ लोचा है.
हाँ, seriously.
Never have I ever street shopped like crazy.
दिल्ली की हो यार, of course.
तो मतलब मैंने तो किया हुआ है, वही जनपथ में मैंने.
मतलब मैं तो अभी तक भी करती थी, बाद में लोगों ने बोला अब बस प्लीज अब और मत करो.
I don't know now, but you know those days Janpath's those street shop used to have fantastic shirts and pants.
अब मेरे टाइम तक भी होती थी, अभी पता नहीं क्या हुआ है recently.
I've always been fascinated with storytellers who tell subjects that are very realistic in nature. You know, there's Anand L. Rai who makes such films. There's Neeraj Pandey, one of them. Vikramaditya Motwani. I mean, there are a few filmmakers in our country, but we have few and far between. My question to you is Bollywood short of good writers, or is Bollywood short of good directors?
No, we are not short really. Yeah, I think we have audience for both kinds. We are slowly evolving over a period of time. वरना आज से पहले किसको पता था पिंक जैसी पिक्चर इतना पैसे कमा सकती है? मतलब if you talk about 5-6 years back from right now, I don't think people will actually believe that this film can even be made. So I think we have changed. But writers के लिए I genuinely want to say, writers, I feel really sad that they are the most underrated
and underpaid.
Underpaid also. You know, they can't afford, even if they really want to, they can't afford to spend a long time working on one script because they have to also run their kitchen. So they try to do a lot, and because of that they probably are not able to do enough justice to each and every script, and then you know it just magnifies in terms of project. But then that is one department that really needs to be addressed, I feel.
I mean, they are not well paid. That's why they are not coming in numbers. Most of the writers, they eventually turn directors only because of that. Because just by being a writer, you can't run your kitchen because that's the last thing they think of paying when it comes to payments or remuneration. They harass them too much. That is why you don't have independent writers coming up.
Well, I will have to end the show before I start paying my guests on the show. Thank you so much for gracing Bollywood Times. Manoj, Taapsee.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Manoj Bajpayee.
Hi, this is Taapsee, and you're watching Bollywood Times with Devansh Patel.